Hey YouTube, oh my goodness, what do we have here? We've got a Quicksilver exhaust or a Lamborghini Gallardo on my Superlite kit car. Woo doggy! Ooh, excited to get this thing started up. So, I've been doing a bit of work lately, and most of it has been welding, which I'm not very good at. So, check this out here. We got these down pipes, stainless steel, and then V-bands right here. Let me see if I get a good angle. And yeah, had to figure out a way how to attach this beautiful exhaust. See, it's got the active valves right here. So this is what opens up the exhaust. You get vacuum from the engine. So this is the sucking pressure of the engine with it hooked to a tube. Sorry, that sounds dumb. The vacuum pressure from the engine opens this valve, and I need to add a control box solenoid to open and close the exhaust valves when I need it. So if I want to be stealth, keep them closed, want to cause a little flames and ruckus, open them up. And I'll share with you a video. I'm going to add in a video after this clip showing you the first startup with this exhaust. And this is with the valves closed. Once I hook up a vacuum source, and then I'll show you with the valves open. So again, this is a Quicksilver exhaust that was originally built for the Lamborghini Gallardo and the Audi R8, attached to my Superlite kit car. I also had to modify the intakes. These are the BMW intakes, and they have I 3D printed this patch, and this patch is there to allow this rod to move back and forth. The reason I had to make that modification is because these intakes are backwards on the engine from stock. So that's the update from Mr. Fox on the Superlite SLC build with the BMW V10. Woo! A few small things I did as well was I got the fuel tank hooked up. So there's my fuel cell. It's all piped in on the back, including the filler tube, which actually was a little more work than I was expecting. The angle of the gas cap wasn't working out for me. So here's the gas cap. Fits perfectly on the outside, but when we go around to the back, you'll see some kind of ugly but functional aluminum welds. The spout on this was very thin aluminum, and so it was a little challenging for me to get a nice, clean, tiny weld bead on it. But this is what it looks like right now. So originally this was coming straight out and hitting the frame rail. So now I cut it off and re-welded it so it makes this little almost 90-degree angle. That allows us to get past the frame rail, get the fuel down into this fuel cell without any problems. And so here's the my Fox face is turning on and off. That's okay. So there's the filler tube here. And yeah, you'll get to see a little video of it starting up. Thanks for tuning in and checking out my build.
All the smoke. Are you happy that it's running?
The coolant.
Oh, uh-oh.